Hi guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x equals square root of 12 to the power of x minus 16 to the power of x. So let's have it to be solution. Now from here we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x equals square root of 12 to the power of x minus 16 to the power of x. Now to eliminate these square roots, we can take square of both sides as 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x all square equals square root of 12 to the power of x minus 16 to the power of x all square. So obviously this will cancel this. Then we have here to be as 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x all square equals 12 to the power of x minus 16 to the power of x. So from the right hand side, we can have this as 3 multiplied by 4 will give us 12, all to the power of x minus 4 times 4 will give us 16, all to the power of x. Then here will now be 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x all square. Now from here we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x all squared to be equals. From here we can have this as 3 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of x. Because according to the law of indices, when you have a multiplied by b all to the power of m, this will give us when you have a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. So by applying it here and here, we have it to be this. Now from here you have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x to be equals. From here we have 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x in common. We can factor it out as 4 to the power of x. The whole of this divided by this, we have 3 to the power of x minus the whole of this divided by this, we have only 4 to the power of x. Now from here we can do something reasonable by saying we should take this one to this side. So we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x all square minus 4 to the power of x into 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x, everything equals 0. Now we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x in common. We have it here, we have it to be here. So we can say let 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x to be equals m. When this equals m, so from here we are going to have here to be m squared minus 4 to the power of x multiplied by m. We have everything to be equals 0. And so from here we have m squared 4 to the power of s dot m. So we also have m in common. So we can factor this out as m into this divided by this, we have it to be m. Then the whole of this divided by this, we have it to be minus 4 to the power of x. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So what are we trying to say here? Or what this one implies is that for this expression to be equal 0, it implies is either we have m equals 0 or we have m minus 4 to the power of x equals 0. When m equals 0, from here, it implies that we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x that equals m equals 0. And so therefore, we can declare finally as 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x equals 0. So therefore, we have 3 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of x. So when we divide through by 4 to the power of x, this we cancel this. So we have 3 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x to be equals 1. Now, if this one is equal to 1, so from here we have 3 to the power of x that divided by 4 to the power of x equals 1. Now, we can take the power of this as 3 divided by 4 all to the power of x equals 1. And the reason is that when you have b to the power of m divided by a to the power of m, so far they have the same power, we can take their base as b divided by a all to the power of m. And that is the law of indices. So therefore from here, we have this. We can have this as 3 divided by 4 all to the power of s to be equals 3 divided by 4 all to the power of 0. Because any number raised to power 0 will give us 1 back. So from here they have the same base. We can equate their power to be as s equals 0. That's the first solution. Now let us now continue from here. When m minus 4 to the power of x equals 0, let's see what will happen. So we have it to be as m minus 4 to the power of x equals 0. And so therefore this implies that we have our m to be equals 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x equals 0. So this implies that we have 3 to the power of s minus 4 to the power of s minus 4 to the power of s equals 0. So therefore from here, we have 3 to the power of s. This one will now be 2 of 4 to the power of x equals 0. Now, when you take this one to this side, we have 3 to the power of x equals 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of x. When you divide through by 4 to the power of x, this will take away this. So we have 3 to the power of s divided by 4 to the power of s to be equals 2. So by applying law of indices to here, to this one, we have it to be 3 divided by 4 all to the power of s to be equals 2. Now, let us introduce logarithm to both sides. So we have this one to be log 3 divided by 4 all to the power of s equals log 2. So from here, this will come here, we have s log 3 divided by 4 equals log 2. By dividing through by this, log 3 divided by 4, this will cancel this, and we have our s to be equals log 2 divided by log 3 divided by 4. But mind you, division of, when you have log a divided by b, this equals when you have log a minus log b. And so by applying it here, we have our s to be equals log 2 divided by log 3 minus log 4. So now, by pressing this one in calculator, we have the answer to be approximately equals to 0.035, approximate to 3 decimal places. So therefore, we have our s to be equals 0.035, and we also have our s to be equals 0. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.